The gut and brain health. At the heart of the gut's influence on other body systems is the gut-brain axis. This is a two-way communication network that links the gut to the brain and spinal cord, also called the central nervous system. Through this axis, signals flow from the brain to the gut and vice versa, allowing each to influence the other. For example, the gut produces hormones that send signals to the brain, telling it you're hungry or full. The brain sends signals to the gut, impacting the release of digestive fluids and how food moves through the digestive tract, what's known as gut motility. Key components of the gut-brain axis include the enteric nervous system and the vagus nerve. Enteric nervous system. This system is a vast network of specialized nerve cells called neurons that are embedded in the lining of the gastrointestinal tract. The enteric nervous system is capable of functioning without input from the brain. This allows it to control many aspects of digestion, including the wave-like movement of food through the gut, known as peristalsis, enzyme secretion, and blood flow in the intestines, even when the brain isn't active, such as when we sleep. The enteric nervous system also communicates with the body's central nervous system through a key messenger known as the vagus nerve, relaying information such as what changes are occurring in the gut and the overall health of the digestive system. The vagus nerve. The gut and brain are deeply connected through a two-way communications highway known as the gut-brain axis. The vagus nerve is that axis's most important messenger. It's a long nerve that runs from the brainstem to your belly, sending signals both ways. If you're stressed or anxious, for example, your brain may initiate what's known as the fight or flight response. This response is relayed to your gut via the vagus nerve and may trigger symptoms such as nausea, stomach cramps, diarrhea, or constipation. When the gut is inflamed, imbalanced, or under stress, it sends distress signals via the vagus nerve that can affect mood, stress levels, and even cognitive function. This is why calming the nervous system through practices like deep breathing or meditation can help soothe the gut too, easing digestion and reducing symptoms like bloating or cramping. The gut also is a surprisingly active site for the production of chemical messengers known as neurotransmitters. In fact, around 90% to 95% of the body's serotonin, a key chemical involved in mood regulation, is produced in the digestive tract. Other neurotransmitters that influence mood, motivation, and the body's stress response, such as dopamine and gamma-aminobutyric acid, or GABA, are produced or influenced by the gut and its resident microbes as well. A healthy gut microbiome helps maintain a healthy balance of these brain chemicals. When the gut microbiome is out of balance, their production is disrupted, potentially contributing to conditions such as anxiety, depression, and brain fog.